My baby's about to test her gown. Where? Start testing. Got this cute gown. So cute. So cute, guys. So cute. You guys are going to be seeing this girl in a very big dimension. Abby?
Yup.
Yup. Ha, would that hand enter you?
Yes.
Why do you like this guy? I don't like this one. That's why I choose that black one. But it's fine. Raise it up. Let me see. Yeah, it's fine. You need to be wearing black tights when you're wearing it. And you have not arranged it very well. No, it's not going down like that. It's going up. That thing's supposed to be up. Don't worry, I'll arrange it for you. Pull it and check the second one. It's fine. I like it. But I prefer that black one. That one that has that gold. Is that earring lost? Okay. I love this one too. This one is one of my sweetest one. Oh, I love this one. I wish I can get this one for my size. You guys, we did some shopping for my baby. Hey, this is okay first grade. First grade. Good day. But these clothes are expensive. Oh. Let me see. This one is very fine. You're looking like a princess. You look childish.
That's not what I said.
Adults. Come on, pull it and wear the third one. Any day we want to go to that place again, we'll go very early.
Yeah.
That man, this is my sweetest favorite because of the hand. And I like those clothes that have those type of hand. Yes, let me see. If you don't like it now, look for someone and dash the person now.
I like it.
Thank God I have your age mates plenty in this compound.
Age mate?
Yeah.
They
They senior you and so.
Yeah.
You drop that hand and raise that other one up. Raise it up and drop this one. But this one is short, oh Jesus. How will you wear this one to church?
My high shoe.
This one is very short. Don't bring your shoe for sample. Who wants to see your shoe for sample? Oh, yeah, go and wear this jean and come. Let me see. This jean trouser. I just pray the jean fits. They are fine, Sha. So, guys, your school t-shirt. No, they're not supposed to see your school name. So, they're going to be exposing your school. You're on your own. Guys, this jean fits so well. Turn back. Let me see. Back. Oh, see your small bumble. That means we need to buy belt, Abby?
Yeah.
So at the belt. But the waist is okay.
It's okay.
Jean is very fine. We have our school jean here. So this is the one you're going to wear tomorrow. To school to start. We're going to give you guys updates. Come and show them your teddy. We got Teddy, guys. Yeah. She said, buy Teddy for me. Buy Teddy for me. I got her 2 teddies. 2 cuties. These teddies are so cute. But I prefer this one more.
This one?
Yes. You carry them to go where?
Anywhere I'm going.
So that means if you're going to school, you carry them too now?
Yes. I've helped myself.
He cannot walk. Ever. Then I got her this pink baby best spray. Baby girl's best spray. So that she can be using it on her bed, guys. Yeah, everything is so cute. So what do you have to say?
Nothing.
You don't have to say thank you?
No, sorry.
Are you mannerless?
No.
Are you okay?
No, I thought you what do you have to say to you two?
What do you have to say to them?
I have to say a very, very, very big thank you to my dad.
This jean should be jean for SS1, SS2, and SS3.
Ma?
I've told you, any day I find this jean, I will break your head.
Yes.
Pack all these things and take them inside.
So I have to say very big thank you.
Go and sit down. Don't be coming close to me if you're talking.
To my dad.
Your daddy.
Yeah.
Your daddy.
Without him.
Without him, Adino was your name.
Where I'm going to be right now.
Adino was your name.
I have to also say very big thank you to my special mom.
Sweet
mom.
Yummy, mommy.
Like no other.
Guys, then we bought white stocking stick for her for schools. And then we got her panties. You guys are not supposed to see her panties. See how close it. She's even shouting hi already. Bye, guys. Love you guys.
Bye.
Take.
Thank you.
If you open it and they see it, you're on your own. Take your pants. Take. Pack all these things and take them inside. This one, put them in that laundry side where we used to put our clothes that we wash. So wash all these clothes. Oh, gosh.
Thank you.
I need to rest now. Bring broom. Come and sweep this side. Everywhere is scattered already. Your uniform is still here. Oh.